Hi guys, so today I'm going to answer some of the questions that I get concerning my private one-on-one classes. Now, one person asked me if the students get to take home the sewing machine that they use in the class. Now, the answer is yes, but then it depends on the kind of package that the student selected. Now, there are 4 different packages. Okay, so in today's video I have an upcoming class and I decided to show you what comes in the package. So for instance, this student selected a diamond package. So in this video I'm going to show you what the student is going to take home. Okay, the diamond package comes with a starter kit, like a starter kit that you can start your work business with. So I'm going to show you that in this video. Just take a look. So for the diamond package, you walk away with a sewing machine, which I have here. You walk away with a sewing machine. Oh, right. You also walk away with a heavy duty tripod. Okay, you walk away with a heavy duty tripod. You also walk away with a professional canvas head, the cork type. Okay, that's what you walk away with. That is this, how do you call it? The starter kit. Okay, so take note of the things that you walk away with. And then you also walk away with bleaching powder. Okay, now this is 500 grams of bleaching powder. Now this is by the brand Elinum. It's a Ghanaian brand, and then you have its corresponding developer. Okay, this is a big size developer. And then you also have your shampoo and then your conditioner. Okay, shampoo and then conditioner. You also have your purple shampoo for when you bleach the knots on your lace. So you have this one. You're also taking all of these things away. Okay, you have your thread for the hand stitching and then the machine stitching. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention the diamond package comes in both hand stitching and then machine wig making. You learn all the two. Now for the wig caps, I normally give my students 2 wig caps. So you have the one that you're going to use during the class and you have the one that you're going to take away. So you take 2 of them. Now I want my students to try out different types of wig caps. So I normally give them the mesh type, the dome cap, the mesh type, and I also give them the adjustable type. So the adjustable type, they also have 2. So you have one here to try in class and then you have one here that you take away. And then for the bonus class, the sewing machine and the ponytail. So with the ponytails, you have this type of cap for the ponytail. You try this one and then you also try this one here. Okay, so you have about 6 different types of caps in the diamond package. Now after that, you also have your reusable gloves. Okay, so when you use it in the class, you just wash them and then pack when you're going to take them away. And then after that, you have a notepad. I know this is huge. You have a notepad and then there's a pen here for the theory part where you take notes and then you revise. Okay, at first I used to give my students this one, but then I felt it was maybe too small, so I got this one instead. So it has a pen here. And then after that, you have your mixing bowl. Okay, you have your mixing bowl, your spatula, and then you have a set of brushes to use in class. Okay, so that is it. And after that, you have your paddle brush, you have your tail comb, and then you have your edge brush. Okay, so that is what is it. And then you have your crocodile clips. Okay, crocodile clips, and then you have your frontal scissors. You also have your wig combs. Okay, wig combs. And then you also have adjustable bands. Okay, you have 2 of them, one for the closure wig and then one for the frontal. I made a mistake. I'm supposed to put a larger one and then a smaller one. So yeah, you have all of these. You have tweezers. Okay, you have tweezers all in the package. You have some T-pins. Okay, and you have some markers. Now this is the regular one, the pencil type, and then this is the metallic. So I'm giving you all the 2. You try them in class, and then the one that you're comfortable with, that is when you can invest in. Okay, so I'm giving you all the 2 to try. And then you also have some measuring tapes, 3 of them to do to put on the canvas head, and I'm going to teach you how to block your canvas head to make it very easy for you to transfer the measurements. So you have 3 of them. I show my students all of that. And then you have a slight set of needle. Now there's the curved one, and then there's also the straight one. So when I'm teaching, I don't impose anything on my students. I tell them what is available, they try them, and then they go with whichever one they are comfortable with. So we have the straight needle, and then you also have the curved needle, and then you have your Headmistress branded t-shirt, like it's here. Now it's in the size that you wrote down when you were doing your registration. So this client is in size small, okay, size small. And then you have your practice sheets for when you're trying to use the sewing machine. You practice on the paper before you actually sew on the cap. So we have your practice sheets in here. So these are all the things that come in the diamond packet, and you take all of these things home. Okay, you take all of these things home. You don't keep them here, you take everything home. So if you're interested in booking our private one-on-one classes, all you have to do is send us an email at headmistress@gmail.com. A lot is in the document. You can't send you the 13-page document in the comment section. So please send us an email at headmistress@gmail.com, and we'll respond to your messages as soon as we can. Thank you very much.